welcome to WR Guitar. This is my channel and I'm Will Russell. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play the cheeky lick from Mardy Bum by the Arctic Monkeys. So without further ado, I'm going to play it for you and then we'll get learning. Using our first finger on the 7th fret of the B string, that's the second string from the bottom. We're going to do 2 down picks, and then we're going to go to the 9th fret of the G with our 3rd finger, that's the 3rd string from the bottom. We're going to travel back to the 7th fret of the B with our 1st finger. And then we're going to go to the 9th fret of the G with our 3rd finger, and then to the 7th fret of the G with our 1st finger. So we've got we're then going to play the 7th fret of the G with our 1st finger, followed by the 9th fret of the G with our 3rd finger. Play that again. Now the great thing about this is we're going to play this riff twice through. Before we move on to this next section. 6th fret on the G with our 1st finger. 7th fret on the G with our 2nd finger. Another pick on the 7th fret of the G, 6th fret on the G with our 1st finger, declining to the 4th fret of the G, and then the 2nd fret of the G. So in slow-mo. We're then going to travel to the 7th fret of the G, and we're going to do 5 picks, and then we're going to go to the 9th fret of the G with our 1st finger for 1 pick. So we've got here's the complete first time round, a little bit slower. Okay, so for the second section then, it is very similar, so try not to get them confused. 7th fret on the B, twice. To 9th fret of the G, 3rd finger. 7th fret of the B, 1st finger. 9th fret of the G, 3rd finger. 7th fret of the G, 1st finger. Repeat that 7th fret. And then back to the 9th fret of the G. So it's the same lick as we used in the first section. Now, here's where it gets a little bit different. We're going to do 3 picks on the 7th fret of the B before we continue as normal. 9th fret on the G, 7th fret on the B, 9th fret on the G, 7th fret G, 7th fret G, to 9th fret G. Okay, the last little section then, we're going to go to the 6th fret of the G with our 1st finger. We're then going to go to the 7th fret of the G with our 2nd finger for 2 picks. Back to the 6th fret of the G with our 1st finger, travelling down to the 4th fret of the G, then back up, and we're going to go 6th fret, 7th fret. So we've got 6, 7, 7, 6, 4, 6, 5. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 7th fret of the G. So that's 5 picks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the 9th fret of the G with our 3rd finger. And then end on the 7th fret of the G with our 1st finger. So there we have it. That was the little cheeky riff from the intro of Mardy Bum by the Arctic Monkeys. I hope you enjoyed this video today and that you enjoyed the song. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel at the end of this video. Have a little gander around what else I've been doing. I've done a few solos, I've done some chord-based songs. If you've got any suggestions or there's any songs that you want to learn, then please hit me up either in this comment box below or at WI Guitarist on Instagram. I have been Will Russell, this is my channel, and I will see you next time.